This video will demonstrate on how to operate the liquid autofill system with internal brixing system on the Ultra 2 HP. Ensure augers and hoppers with handles are properly installed. Check connection on product bag and box is also connected. Press and release the appropriate auger button to start the auger motor and turn on the autofill. Water and syrup will start to fill the hoppers. Allow hoppers to fill until liquid reaches the level probe. If a fault occurs, press the Ultra button to clear and continue filling. Replace the lid. For granite-type products, press and release the appropriate snowflake button and select ice to begin the freezing process for the selected hopper. Wait for the liquid to freeze to the desired consistency. For cold liquid products, press and release the appropriate snowflake button and select chill to begin the cooling process for the selected hopper. Wait for the liquid to cool. The dispenser is now ready for use.